Hey guys, in this video we're going to be learning how you can add this gradient shadow effect, which you might have seen in many websites, which they use to style their CSS cards, buttons, or could be articles. So we're going to be learning this in this video. So let's start. So in my index.html file, inside the body, I've created a div with a class of box, and then within which I have the h1 tag with the inner text of wow colors. Now right after that, I'm going to create the paragraph tag with some dummy text. Now that's all for the HTML. Now in the CSS, I have written some styling already, so I've removed the margin and padding, and also box sizing to border box. Now I want the box to be at the center, so inside the body I've written display grid and place items to center, and also I've given it a min height of 100, viewport height, and also the font family as Poppins. Now we're going to style the box. We're going to give it width of 420 pixel, and then we're going to specify the background color as white. Now the reason for this is because we don't want the background shadow to be the color that this box takes in, so we want this box to be white in color, so we need to specify that. And then we're going to add position to relative. Now we're going to check, so this is how it looks. Now the next thing that we're going to need to do is we need to change the font size and also a bit of the color of these text. So first I'm going to add padding of 1.5 rem, and then we're going to target the h1 inside the body, and we're going to change the font size to 1.8 rem, and we're going to change the opacity to 0.8. Now with this, it has some opacity, and this is not completely black. Now we're going to style the paragraph tag, so we're going to give the paragraph margin top of 0.5 rem and also font size of 0.9 rem. Now you can see that these are smaller in size. Now we're going to target the box before pseudo selector, and now we're going to place it absolutely. Now keep in mind that you need to add position relative to the box to be able to use absolute and its before element. And then content as blank, and I've specified top, left, right, and bottom as 0. Now we're going to write the background, and we're going to add linear gradient of 45 degrees, and you're going to add in your desired colors. Now with this, it's going to look something like this. Now we want this to be at the back side, so we want to place z index -1. Now this is completely vanished, so what we're going to do is we want to transform and translate y to 20 pixels. Basically we want to bring it down, so this is what it looks now. Now to have that blurry gradient effect, we're going to use filter blur of 20 pixel, and with this we're done. So this is how you create the gradient shadow effect onto your CSS cards. You can do the same for the buttons and also for the articles if you want to add. So meet you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.